going up on as well. So today is coming from Grace, and she's explaining that she did in fact pay Solaine to do the advertisement, and that was through her manager. And I don't even know what's going on because Solaine now is saying that her second page has been stolen again.
Yeah. Untouchable Gracie, _ Gracie. Hey guys, may address this over YouTube already, but apparently a lot of you will not follow me on YouTube, so you not get this story yet. So me just gonna address it one more time, and I'm gonna left it on Instagram. Anybody who want to watch it after, watch it. Yeah. The other day, guys, I may say it must be from Instagram, because YouTube people them could never still do it. The other day with Solaine, and Solaine do the promotion, and people say, oh, Gracie use Solaine, she never pay Solaine. Me talk clearly, so me pay Solaine. The girl with a control Solaine page, whatever she and Solaine want have, that's not my business. Me have the business with Solaine, me call Solaine. Solaine give me her number, her contact, I'll say, do the business with she. She is my manager. That is beyond my control. Me not have nothing to do with that. That not have nothing to do with me. Anybody who Solaine say I do art manager, I them our manager for me. So guys, it happened that Solaine give me a price. Me have me receipt them. I come with all of them. So, Mr. Solaine, how much is the price? She said to me, $15,000. I said, alright, Solaine, $15,000 you said? She said, yes, $15,000. Talk to my manager. Me can't send money to Western Union. Me can't send money to MoneyGram. So it gotta be somebody who will send it for me. Me beg one of my friends send the money for me through Western Union. Them send it to Solaine name. Solaine call me back and say, Gracie, you send the money to my name, but me can't pick it up because Western Union blocked me. I say, alright, Solaine, me I gotta ask the person for resend the money. Western Union take, no one lie, about 3 days to give me back my money. And I say, alright, just because I know them are going to drag my name in this sitting here, me I got to resend the money to Solaine. So the girl go up on her phone again, me send back the money we give her through Zelle, and she go up on her phone and she send the money go give Solaine. Solaine manager, Solaine say give the manager the money because my phone is not, me can't collect the money at Western Union, them block me. That should tell me. So the money sent 2 times, guys. The money sent 2 times. 2 times I send the money. And in that all, Solaine charge me $15,000. And I give her $16,000. And people still a drag my name and say, me use Solaine and me thief Solaine. This is the first receipt. 2 receipts. I make sure I mark out her name already. I make sure I mark out my friend name. Because I don't really want to put her name out there because she never trouble me. Alright. This is the first thing that Western Union send come tell me say the money cancel. I want to know if you can't see it good. I'm not saying if I could have thief Solaine. They said the money cancel, I have to wait before I get it. Then them send this one come. Then them, this is obviously the one where the money did send. See it here, 2 times it sent. The first time she sent $115. And that will work out to $15,290. That's the first money. I can't be sure it good. That are the first money where she send. Me I post the receipt them afterwards. For all who want to see it, me I post them. Me I post them on my story so they can go look on there and see them. And then that she send a Solaine name first. Me I post the receipt them on my story. Don't worry about it, because me show it now, never see it good. She sent it in a Solaine name first. She sent $115 in a Solaine name. It was $15,200 and odd dollar. Remember Solaine say it is 15,000 for the promotion. So when she said the money in a Solaine name, Solaine say she go Western Union and then block her so she can't get nothing. Do not transaction. So we send it in the manager name. Me know the manager name. If me never send the money in the manager name, how would I know the manager name? The night when Solaine come on the live, before the manager, even when the manager did that course, I say she not busy with Solaine, she not this, she not that. I said to her, it's you, me pay my money. And then her name could have come out because I know her name. Obviously, if me never did that do business with Solaine, I would not know Solaine manager name. Who don't know her manager name? And then when me look now, people still say, me use Solaine. Oh, me for use Solaine, me pay $15,000. She charge me $15,000. Me pay $15,000. Why you still a drag my name? She charged me 15 and I pay the 15, pay 16,000. I'm gonna pay 15, I pay 16,000. And still I drag my name. Someone can really go so? Me have all of my receipt them as I said before. Me I gotta just post them on my story. What time now? Yeah, me I gotta post them before me go on me something them me show. Me pay Solaine her $16,000. People still come all over YouTube and rub me out in the comment section. Me owe Solaine. Me use Solaine to build my platform. My YouTube channel is done build already. Solaine never build my YouTube channel. Solaine never build my YouTube channel. So all who come to give me basket for care water, you can't give me. Solaine never build me. I'm not going to talk about me use Solaine to build my platform. My platform they done build already. Before my Solaine company, it did bill already. It did bill already. Solaine come see me with my subscriber them. Solaine come see me with my show agwan. Solaine come see me with my charity. Solaine come see me with everything. Everything Solaine come see me with. Everything. So I'm not say how I'm gonna say no. Me use Solaine for build for my platform. Any big YouTuber you on the talk, them will laugh and say, "Nah, idiot," because me use my money for build my platform. Women not pay 150, me pay 200, me pay my money, me go in my pocket for build my platform. Not bright myself, but me use Solaine for build platform. That's so rude and disrespectful. I'm ignorant. And me I said, from last week, me explain it and me done I say, this is how it go. And people still give me basket for carry water. People still give me basket for carry water. I will tell them what now mouth and say me pure them still say KFC money me get Solaine. $15,000 KFC money. 15,000 at that she charge me and she get 16,000 KFC money. I wanna get that. Wanna get 16,000 of the KFC money. How comes? If I saw KFC expensive at Jamaica, I never like eat it. 16,000 KFC money, you know, tired and bright. And some of the time I see them all in the comment section over here now. But GRACIE look like a user. GRACIE use Solaine. And then when the story come out, Solaine must say somebody a user if you build them something. I got talk about me. Me know Solaine. Me not know Mountain View. Me not that Mountain View fi go for Solaine I go use them for run Solaine page. I'm fi over here from me I run Solaine page. Oh, me fi over here and I run Solaine page at Jamaica. Someone have nothing name sense in here so.